Hi, welcome to the beginning channel. Questions about JavaScript. What is JavaScript? Where is JavaScript used? Advantages and disadvantages. The future of JavaScript. Print Hello World. JavaScript is a dynamic programming language for web development, web applications, game development, and lots more. This language used by several websites for scripting the web pages. First appeared in 1995 for adding programs to the web pages in the Netscape Navigator browser. Since then, JavaScript have consecutive updates that help us to have dynamic things on the web. Front-end web development. JavaScript used for make parts of a web page that users see. Backend web development. JavaScript popular for backend developers. Mobile apps. Interactive maps. Virtual reality. Game development. Animations. If you need visual elements to have around, JavaScript will help to do it. Data visualization. Python is powerful for data visualization. JavaScript, like Python, is good for data visualization too. Advantages of JavaScript. Speed. JavaScript is popular for speed. Easy to learn. Popular. Server load. JavaScript is client-side, so it reduces the demand on server overall, and simple applications may not need a server at all. Extended functionality. It means allow the developers to add snippets of predefined code in their code to save time. Consecutive updates. JavaScript have a consecutive updates. Versatility. JavaScript is now capable of front-end as well as back-end development. Front-end development use AngularJS or React.js, but back-end development use Node.js. Optimized code. JavaScript reducing the code length for improves the performance of websites. Disadvantages. Client-side security. All users can see JavaScript code. It's easy to use code or to place some code into the site. Browser support. JavaScript code needs to run on versions platform to know this code run in this browser or not. And we need to check in the older browsers because some new functions are not supported by them. Stop render. One error in JavaScript code can stop whole website to render. JavaScript is so powerful and popular programming language. But what of the future of this programming language? JavaScript is not likely to become absolute anytime soon. It's a popular programming language in the world that can use in front-end and back-end development, making it an essential skill for developers. Another feature of JavaScript is every update we see the expansions of this language. Another feature of JavaScript is every day that passes the community is bigger and bigger. Many companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Yahoo use and support JavaScript. It will continue and beyond because of its importance to enterprise application developments. And another feature of this famous programming language is have a lot of popular frameworks such as AngularJS, React.js, Express.js, and Method. This framework is used now and in future used to in applications.